What's poppin', Belle? It's your girl, Belle.
Mela, she find herself rapping the bills. Mela, hey, yeah, oh Mela. I said, hey, yeah, oh Mela.
Back, still giving bitches hell. Psych, nah, y'all know what's good. Today we is on the move. I mean, I've been on the move every day since I got here. I forgot that I said I was gonna vlog, and I literally forgot that I posted that I was giving y'all a video today. So y'all got bare face mail today. But how y'all liking my hair? Hazel E, I mean Rapunzel, you know, I done heard it all. But shout out to Kamaria for doing that. Y'all got to check her out. I'm trying to get her on the YouTube channel so she can bless y'all with the wig constructions and stuff. But anyways, never mind that. I'm on the way to my house. I've been there like back and forth, I feel like every day since Friday. But they still gotta put my floors in, they're shampooing my carpet. Like I know y'all want the tour. It's coming, but I can't just show y'all anything. Y'all gonna be like, damn Mel, what the hell? But anyway, so with that being said, I gotta make sure everything is top notch and it look right. And then after that, we could talk. We'll talk about some stuff. But anyway, so today, my couch is coming today, so we about to make ourselves present so that we can be there for that. And I mean, that's it. I can't really record in the house because I don't want y'all to see too much. So I mean, and that's why I'm going right now. So we finna just do something around. I might give y'all like a little glimpsy glimpse, like a little something. My nail fell off already. But that's okay, cause I'm gonna get it fixed. Hold on, let me pay attention to what I'm doing. And yeah, so my couch coming today, and then tomorrow, they're supposed to be putting in my new floors, and hopefully they shampoo Thursday. I'm trying to be in my shit by Friday, but I'm about to like go hang stuff up and finish cleaning and doing all that fun stuff. So yeah, I'll be back. You already know I ain't playing the music in the video. We trying do bigger and better things. We can't be playing music. I be coming out with my glasses on now too. That's weird. This means business. Like seriously. Alright y'all, I'll be back. Okay, so we in the zone. Sneaky peeky. Sneaky peeky. I need to put curtains up. So we just did the measurements for curtains for those. And then okay, stop trying to look. Little sneakers. This is my room. I'm definitely not showing y'all the colors or whatever. Try not to. Sorry, guys. But I started hanging some stuff up. Y'all gonna be mad at me. Oh! But yeah, like I just don't want y'all to see yet. I have so many potential areas that I could put my backdrop to do my videos. Like, seriously. Like, this is a wall in my dining room. This is another wall. It's just so much, and it's this closet that has like this whole y'all gonna see. But yeah, so we just here right now. What's the name? Oh, you can't flip during the video. I'll show y'all what I see out my window. Yup. Sorry y'all gonna be mad because I'm not showing y'all just yet. I'm waiting on my couch. I need to come on because we literally sitting here eating the floor. But that's fine. Be loyal to those that's loyal to you. Alright, that's all I got for now. Okay, so I changed my mind. I just thought about it. I'm about to get my couch so there's gonna be furniture so then it won't be unfurnished. But it's literally like not up to par. I got my shoes, Sissy got her food on the floor. So just keep that in mind. Anyways, how you do this? Am I supposed to
Okay. Let me show you.
record me? Oh, hey, Sissy there. Welcome to my crib. Oh. Officially, the Melville Palace. Come on up here. Well, my maid, you know, she don't clean her stuff up like she's supposed to, so she left her food here. She will be getting fired. But this is my living room. Hold on, stop for a thumbnail. Okay, this is the living room. Guys, I don't know. She showing y'all a good view.
I am.
Back up so they can see the whole.
I wasn't
joint.
trying to show them the floor.
Sorry, it's okay. I'm getting my carpet shampoo tomorrow. Y'all the Belle, y'all know what's up. I keep it real with y'all. So this is the living room. You know, like I said, it's not 100% finished yet. There's still stuff they gotta do to it. So
Open the blinds.
yeah, so I can't open the blinds because they gotta put a thing on here.
And
But until then, yeah, this is what I can see. So I can see the whole neighborhood. Neighborhood watch. You know what I'm saying?
Ho, 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 ho. Get crunk with it. Get crunk with it. Oh, oh.
Neighborhood watch. You know what I mean? Anyways, it's hot already. Oh, they got a little. Well, nah, you won't catch me in the balcony. But neighborhood
Nope.
watch. You know, this closet just kind of.
It's filled with stuff.
Yeah, we can't put nothing on the floor yet, so we kind of been just trying to find places to put everything.
You know what I'm
But
saying?
this furniture house is gonna be lit, cause I got some ideas or whatever. But yeah, come on. Follow me. So this is the dining room area. I already know what I'm finna do for this joint. We finna snap. That'd be tough if I could snap it and like all the furniture was in here, right? But it's how you know. Make sure you hold the camera straight like this. Okay. So this is the dining room area. I want to show you the kitchen. The kitchen is a mess, but I'll show you the kitchen because I'm loyal to y'all. I'm getting new floors in here tomorrow, so don't even mind the floors. There's cabinets. I mean, I don't really know. Refrigerator. You already know we're gonna be stacked up on the food. You know what I'm saying? You hear me? Oven, laundry room, washer dryer, another
Window.
Yes.
Window.
Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and come on down.
Hey, you got the butt. Hey.
Okay. This is the bathroom. I'm still trying to figure out all these damn lights. Like, I got about 5, 6, 7, whatever. Shower, big ass shower. Yeah. Toilet. Yeah. Y'all gonna be shook at how I make this shit look like something for real. So, hallway closet right here. This one gonna be lit too.
Y'all check out this motherfucking light, bro. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it.
Camera action, take 1, take 2, take 3. Ooh, ooh, all eyes on me. Yeah.
Like, if I'm gonna catch me record my video right here. Fuck the ring light. This shit bright as hell. Anyways, this is gonna be Vay's room. It's no ceiling light, so I'm gonna have to put a light in here, whatever. But this one gonna be lit too. It's a little lit, little place, you know what I'm saying? Little situation, you know what I mean? This is her closet. It's gonna be full of clothes. This is the size of the closet we had that we were sharing, and now she has this whole
Closet by herself.
closet to herself. Let them see it. Yeah. That's her right over there. Get ready to put stuff together, but that's that. And then this is my room. I mean, it's just empty, so I don't know. It's empty and there's no light in here, so. So, I actually don't mind this tree being right here because that means ain't no light finna come in here. So we finna be big sleep. But yeah, this is my room or whatever. I'm mad I can't really show you the full fit of the closet because it's stuff in here now. Yeah, I know. I should have did this the first day, but this is what it is. This joint, it's just funny how you can take a space and make it your own. Cause right now, this ain't it for me. But wait till I put my touch on. I already got all my room stuff. I got my bed frame, all that stuff, whatever. So this joint right here, sorry, I can walk in my closet now. This is my closet. I can sleep in here if I want it. Who knows?
Bitch, put a crib in this joint.
Huh?
Put a baby
Put a
crib.
baby in a junk. Put a baby in a junk.
Ho.
Baby in a junk.
Ha?
Baby in a junk.
Ha?
Baby in a junk.
Ha?
Walk in, walk out. That's what I do. I got a big old closet and me and you. I'm about to.
Oh.
Again.
Oh.
Okay.
Move
Anyways.
on. What happened to the move on?
Y'all already know what's good. So I started hanging my clothes up or whatever, y'all know what I'm saying.
Shit, hold up.
What?
All right, go ahead.
Yeah.
It was low power mode.
Alright, so yeah, I started hanging my clothes up. Like I said, I had to throw stuff in because I got to do my carpets and stuff like that. So I can't really give y'all the full effect of whatever. But this is my little crib or whatever. What I'm saying. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all excited for the furnished version of it because that's not going to just be lit. Like to see how I turn this into the palace. I mean, my nail came off though. But it's okay, we can fix that. So it's alright. So yes, follow me. No, follow me. Okay. So yeah, that's it.
Excuse my
That's
food,
all.
y'all.
I mean, y'all ain't gotta go, but y'all gotta get the hell up out of here.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extra.